Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can create and design an idea pin on Pinterest. Pinterest idea pin. Idea pins give a very much reach on Pinterest. You can also try this on Pinterest for yourself. If you want to know what Pinterest is and how to work on Pinterest and how to grow traffic, then you can check out the playlist on my channel named Pinterest marketing course, from where you can learn how to create Pinterest account and how to grow and how to earn money through it. So guys, let's get started, and in today's video I will teach you how you can create a attractive idea pin design. So first of all, let's go to Fiverr and let's check that there is demand of this skill or not. So I write here Pinterest idea pin on fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is one of the top freelancing platform where you can sell your services and earn money online. So after that, there is 791 services available. 791 services. Let's check. I will design Pinterest pin, idea pins and short video ads for use. Let's click on this and let's analyze his gig. In basic package, she charged 15 Pinterest pins on 3 short videos. In standard, 35 Pinterest pin or 6 short videos. In premium, 15 videos and charge $25. Guys, this is a very easy work, and you can easily make it in 2 to 3 minutes for one pin, so for one idea pin. So you can easily earn like in 30 to 35 minutes $25 easily in 30 to 35 minutes. So let's go to that's it for Fiverr part. Let's go to Canva. You can also analyze different gigs and make your gig according to it, like this Pinterest idea pins. So I am going to Canva, and here I write Pinterest idea pin. Its resolution is 1080 by 1920 pixels. Suppose I am creating an idea pin according to fashion. Okay, so I click a blank Pinterest idea pin and it is loading. Let's wait for some seconds. So guys, it is loaded. So first of all, I write here in templates like fashion. So it shows me different idea pin templates, but I want to create my own, so I go to videos and I search here fashion and the resolution. Okay, so that's it. And after that, you can also draw text here, like let's do proper fashion. I want to change the font like Bernoro, and that's good. And after that, I want to animate this text, so I go to animate, and no, I want to just animate this text like this, like this, That's good. So let's check this one. So guys, that's it. As you can see, our idea pin is ready. So just click on share and download this one. Click on the download and your download is starting. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If they like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family, and I will meet you in the next video in other earning video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.